In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a website in Hostinger. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is where you manage your websites and hosting tools. If you have more than one website in your account, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. From there, click on Website. This will open the management area for your site. Hostinger keeps things fairly simple, so this section is designed to help you quickly access the tools you need without having to dig through too many menus. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. The layout is beginner-friendly and the editing process is very straightforward. Next, click Edit Website. This will open the website editor, where you can start customizing your site visually. This is the main area where you'll make changes to your content, layout, and overall design. As soon as the editor opens, you'll usually be able to click directly on sections of the page to update text, images, and other visible elements. Once you're inside the editor, feel free to edit your website as needed. You can add elements to improve the page and make it more engaging. For example, depending on your design, you may want to include text blocks, images, buttons, galleries, or other visual features that help communicate your message clearly. As you make changes, try to keep your layout clean and easy to read, so visitors can navigate your site without confusion. You can also add sections if you want to expand a page with more content. This is helpful when you want to introduce new information without overcrowding the existing design. A new section can help separate topics and make the page feel more organized and professional. If needed, you can also add pages. This is useful when your website is growing and you want to create dedicated spaces for different types of content. For example, instead of putting everything on one page, you can organize your site into multiple pages to make it easier for visitors to find what they need. Take your time while editing and review everything carefully as you go. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how your website looks and feels. That's how to edit a website in Hostinger.